Right, so what are they? Okay, so what you've got is you've got a a shrink tube, waterproof washer, then you've got solder, another waterproof washer there. And all you do is you get your wire, slide your wire through it. So twist that there a minute, slide your wire through it. Get your other wire, twist them together, just like as if you're doing a budgie job, but you're not really. Then there you can see now that part there. Is that? Okay, then all you do is you slide your tube back over the wires, making sure the wire goes into it properly, the part where you just twisted over. Bring the soldering part over the bare wire, get your lighter, heat that part up slowly like that. So all your heat shrink tube shrinks, and then this part here is where your solder is. You do that, then let it cool down. Now it looks a bit dirty and black at the moment, but when it's cooled down, just give it a rub and it cleans off, because it's the soot off the fuel. So do that. Now that wire has been soldered right there, so when you pull the wire you can't pull it out, obviously it's soldered, and the heat shrink has shrunk down. So your wire is soldered, complete joint, no messing about with stupid plugs unless you need to. Well, the plugs, what I'm just restoring this on the NSR. And there you go, the wiring is now complete and the joints actually soldered perfect without a soldering gun, just a bloody lighter. And you've also waterproofed it completely. So I think they're great. Just put some new indicators onto my bike because I'm restoring it. The indicators were naff on it. A lot of the bike is naff, it just wants bringing back to life and restoring. Anyway, so you get them fairly cheap on eBay. You got all different sizes for all different size wires. And they've all got the soldering bit and all got the water seals inside. Absolutely brilliant. Love them. Catch you later.